This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates on Alight Motion. Alight Motion templates are pre-made project files that simplify video creation, allowing you to produce professional-looking content quickly. You can easily access a wide variety of templates, including intros, transitions, and titles, directly within the application. These templates are designed to save you significant time and effort, making complex animations achievable for everyone, regardless of their editing experience. To begin, you will need to import your chosen template into Alight Motion. Many templates are available as XML files online. Once downloaded, simply open the XML file and choose Alight Motion from your sharing options to import it directly. Another method is to navigate to the Templates tab within the app and use the Upload button to select and import your XML file from your device's storage. This process usually takes only a few seconds. After importing, the real fun begins with customization. You can easily modify various elements within the template to match your vision. Change the text to convey your message, adjust colors to fit your brand, and even alter animation durations for perfect timing. Replace any placeholder images or videos with your own media from your device. Furthermore, you can fine-tune effects, keyframes, and layer styles to create a truly unique and personalized video project. Once your template is perfectly customized, it is time to export your final video. Before exporting, take a moment to review your entire project to ensure everything looks exactly as you intended. Then, locate and tap the Export button, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. You will then be prompted to choose your desired video format, such as MP4, along with your preferred resolution and frame rate, like 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second, for optimal quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.